Every one of us is looking for the simplest yet effective way to start investing and become rich in the shortest time possible. In this video, I will be introducing to you the 8-4-3 rule of compounding I have been using to multiply my money. Let's start by breaking it down in simple terms before discussing a single rule. Compounding is when you invest some money and over time, you earn a return on that investment. Instead of withdrawing those earnings, you reinvest them. Over time, your initial investment grows, and so do your earnings. This cycle repeats, and before you know your money start growing exponentially over time. That's the power of compounding in a nutshell, and it's incredibly powerful. So what is the 8-4-3 rule, and how does 8-4-3 rule fit into all of this? Let's break it down, step by step. The 8-4-3 rule of compounding offers a simple yet powerful framework for wealth building. It involves three key elements: return on investment, ROI, investing duration, number of assets to invest in. Let me explain number on the rule for easier understanding. 8% return on investment, which is realistic and achievable target for many investors. This percentage accounts for both capital appreciation and dividends, providing a steady stream of income while also allowing your investment to grow over time. 4 year of duration, emphasizing the importance of long-term thinking in the world of investing. By staying committed to your investment for at least 4 years, you give your money the time they need to weather short-term fluctuations and realize their full potential of compounding. 3 highlights the significance of diversification across 3 different assets. No, you might be thinking, why invest in 3 assets? Well, to diversify your investments by spreading them across 3 assets to reduce your risk and increase your chance of long-term success. Let's say you put all your money into one asset, like the stock market, and it doesn't perform as expected. You could end up losing a significant portion of your investment. But by diversifying, you are not putting all your money in one basket, so even if one asset underperforms, the others can help offset the losses, keeping your overall portfolio more stable. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, the 8-4-3 rule provide a clear roadmap in achieving financial success in a short period of time. To understand how this works, let's look at an example. Let's say John has 15 lakhs now lying in his bank account. John knows the bank doesn't offer the best return, so he decides to divide the money equally and invest in 3 different assets, such as stocks, an index fund, and real estate. Over the course of 4 years, assuming an average annual return of 8% for each asset, John's initial 5 lakhs investment in each asset, annual rate of return 8%. Growth of each investment return after 4 years would be 687,833, adding up his total final investment after 4 years to approximately 20,63,499 from 15 lakhs investment. In another scenario, let's say John commits to a disciplined monthly contribution of 5,000 rupees to each asset. After 4 years, each of his assets will have grown by 8%, resulting in each of his investments in value to approximately 11 lakhs 5,927 rupees, adding up the total value of investment to over 33 lakhs 17,781 rupees, showcasing the remarkable potential of the 8-4-3 rule when applied to a diversified investment strategy. Okay, so now we understand the 8-4-3 rule and the power of compounding. How do we put it into action? By using the following simple principles of smart investing. 1. Start early and stay consistent. Starting early is crucial in the world of investing because of the power of compounding, as time is one of the most critical aspects of any investment strategy. Even small amount invested consistently over time can grow into significant sums over time. By starting early, your investment can ultimately lead to greater wealth accumulation in the long run. Plus, starting early allows you to weather market fluctuations and take advantage of the natural ups and downs of the market without panicking. 2. Automate your investments. Life can get busy and easy to forget to invest regularly. That's where automation comes in handy. Set up automatic contribution to your investment account. By automating your investment account, you remove the temptation to spend that money elsewhere and ensure that you're consistently adding to your portfolio over time. 3. Reinvest your earnings. Reinvesting your returns is a powerful way to accelerate the growth of your investment portfolio instead of cashing out or pocketing your gains. Reinvest them back into your portfolio to take advantage of the compounding effect and to boost the long-term growth of your portfolio, significantly helping you to achieve your financial goals sooner. 4. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification, often referred to as the only free lunch in investing. By spreading your investment across different assets, classes, industry, and geographical region, you can reduce overall risk in your portfolio. If one assets perform poorly, others may perform well. We have many good international funds where we can diversify our investment to international market. For example, Motilal Oswal Nasdaq 100 Fund, Edelweiss US Technology Fund, or Invesco India, Invesco Pan-European Equity Fund. These are just few example international mutual funds where you can invest to get global market exposure. 5. Focus on quality investment. Quality over quantity is a mantra that holds true in investment. Instead of chasing high-risk, high-reward opportunities, focus on quality investment with a strong fundamentals and track record of steady growth. Look for companies with solid financial and reliable cash flows and sustainable competitive advantages. Similarly, when investing in other asset classes like real estate or bond, prioritize asset with proven stability and income-generating potential. By focusing on quality investment, you can reduce the risks of permanent capital loss. Many people lose even their capital in the name of chasing multi-bagger in small and micro companies that has no asset or stability. 6. Stay disciplined and patient. Investing can be a roller coaster ride with ups and downs along the way. During period of market volatility or economic uncertainty, it's essential to stay disciplined and avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Stick to your investment plan. Focus on the long-term horizon and resist the temptation to time the market or chase short-term gains. Remember, successful investments is about time in the market, not timing the market. By staying patient and letting the power of compounding work its magic, you'll be well positioned to achieve your financial goals over the long haul. 7. Stay informed. Stay educated about the market and economic trend that can impact your investment. Keep yourself updated on the performance of your investment and be prepared to adjust your strategy as needed. This doesn't mean trying to time the market and chasing hot investment trends, but rather staying disciplined and sticking to your long-term investment plan. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to help guide your investment decisions and ensure your portfolio remains aligned with your goal. The beauty of this rule lies in simplicity and effectiveness. It's not about getting rich quick, but rather about steadily building wealth over time through the power of compounding. So whether you're just starting your investment journey or level up your investment, remember the 8-4-3 rule as the blueprint your investment strategy. Do share the video with someone you thought need to implement the 8-4-3 rule in their investment.